Hi all, this is Sherry with eXp Realty, the global agent, coming at you again with some great content. So today we're going to talk about why you need a realtor when you're buying a new home. So our channel is a place where everyone comes to get information, to gather information. So if you like what I'm posting, please be sure to hit the comment, subscribe, and follow us. So anyway, we're going to get right into it. So we're going to dive into a topic that many people gloss over. The importance of having a realtor when buying a new home construction. So this is, yes, the builder is the sales agent, but it might seem like they're being helpful. But remember that you want someone in your corner. So we're going to talk about why this is so important. Understanding builder contracts. So firstly, builder contracts can be complex and they're packed with jargon. Having a realtor on your side means you have a professional who understands the nuances. Do not, I repeat, do not have your realtor sign you into a new home build and then ghost you, and then never see the contract, never go through the contract with you, and you're basically dealing directly with the builder from that point forward. Your realtor is to be your advocate from beginning of the process to the end of the process. I can't stress that more. I have heard so many times where, not to bash our community, but they sign a buyer into the home and they are not involved in the process during the escrow. So super important. Make sure you find a realtor that works with the builder, understands the nuances, has experience working with new home builds. So what they can do in contracts is they can identify hidden clauses. They can help you understand the obligation and rights, and they can negotiate better terms. An example, if you're trying to sell your home and you need to sell your home in order to buy a new home, and you have to have a contingency sale, make sure that your contract states that. If the agent does not see the contract and it's left up to you to sign everything without the agent reviewing it first, you could end up in big trouble. So make sure that you have an agent that has your back. They're your advocate with the contract. Can't stress that more. Remember, the builder's sales agent is looking out for the builder. They're not looking out for the buyer, they're looking out for the builder. The realtor is the one who has your back. Leveraging market knowledge. So your realtor brings valuable market knowledge, something that can be crucial when you're choosing upgrades or you're negotiating price. So you want to know when you're upgrading the worth of the investment. You can end up getting too many upgrades and it's not going to justify the comps in the neighborhood. So, you don't want to get yourself in that situation. So you need to understand when you're doing those upgrades if it's actually going to justify the comps in the area. You may have spent $50,000 in upgrades, but maybe the comps don't justify that. So keep an eye on that. Make sure your realtor helps you navigate through that. Don't get emotional and go crazy with the upgrades until you understand that. You want to understand that the builder's pricing is in line with the market. So that's another very important thing. And you also want to get insights into the builder's reputation. Google is your friend, right? So, in short, your realtor can help you make smarter investment choices. So, do your research. Make sure you're working with a skilled realtor that has worked with new home builds. Navigating the closing process. The closing process, it can be a minefield of deadlines and documents. So, again, this is where your realtor is going to help you. They're going to remind you of deadlines. They're going to help you stay on track. They're going to stay in communication with you. So they help you meet those deadlines, the walkthroughs, the options periods, things like that. They can recommend trusted professionals for the closing process, like home inspectors. If you want to hire an outside home inspector, typically builders, they have their own walkthrough people, they have their own inspectors, but you certainly have the option to hire your own home inspector. So that's something to keep in mind. Help you prepare for closing costs and other fees. That's another thing that a skilled realtor can help you with, is understanding what that looks like. Having a realtor, it ensures that you don't miss any critical and time-saving and potentially costly errors. Super, super important. The builder's sales rep is not your advocate. They are the builder's advocate. Keep that in mind. It's super important. Okay, so extra pair of eyes. So, lastly, any realtor offers an extra pair of eyes. When you go look at the home before you purchase it, when you go to your home inspections, when you do your final walkthrough, you're going to have an extra pair of eyes to help you point out what, maybe there's some defects, maybe the crown molding hasn't been completed, maybe there's some door hinges that are missing, maybe there's so many little intricacies that you just want to have an extra pair of eyes, and an extra pair of eyes that's skilled at it, that can help you to make sure that before closing, the builder has that punch list. So it's a huge benefit. It's something that you don't want to overlook. And the realtor can help you point out both the good and the bad features. So it's just helping you make an informed decision from the get-go. So in conclusion, I want to sum it up that a realtor does so much more for you than just helping you find a house. That is just the beginning of their job. They assist in understanding the contracts. They provide valuable market insight. They guide you through the closing process and offer a critical eye during the inspections. And in essence, they're your advocate in the complex world of new home construction. So if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you did, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful information. Thanks for watching. Until next time, this is Sherry with eXp Realty, also known as the Global Agent. Make your home buying journey a smart one.